in capital raising as we speak. It's being led by myself and Avinash. Would be targeting both strategic and financial partners in this process. We've had some preliminary discussions with a handful of parties that have been very productive at this point, and we'll continue to have those discussions. But I would expect, just given the tight funding environment that we're in right now, we expect the process to take I would say up to 6 months for that to materialize.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Stephen.
All right, as a reminder, if you want to ask a question, please use the raise hand function located at the bottom of your screen. Once you've been called on, you'll have the ability to unmute your audio.
Arrival earnings. Waiting for the next question. Arrival having some technical difficulties today.
Okay.
All right, thank you for your questions, and I'll now pass the call back to Avinash for closing remarks.
Thanks. So in summary, we're at a junction that we think, when you look at the capital we have on hand, the progress that we've made to date, we have the vertical integration technologies, which, as I mentioned, has really moved now from concept to reality. But we're at a junction where we think the best course of action is to take advantage of the technology we've got and the growing US market, and particularly that tailwind with the IRA. So once again, I'd like to just remind everybody that no one in this industry to date has the core components, the composite materials, the microfactory, the software platform. We have all the enabling technologies to put that on together in the family of VAM products that Mike will be leading. And as John mentioned, we'll be looking at all of our options to raise capital so that we can have a very successful future. So I want to thank everybody for joining the call today, and we'll speak again soon.
So there we go. There is Arrival's earnings, and as we can see, they missed on earnings quite dramatically. So we're getting ready now for our proper opening bell show. Welcome, welcome, everybody. What a morning Arrival has had. They're down 13.5%. They are looking to raise money. This company is in all kinds of trouble right now. So anyway, let's get ready for the main start of the show. So welcome, everybody. Good morning. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let's get straight into it, and let's see where we are this morning. There we go. So here we are. And let's have a look. My main position now is 39,570, starting to come up again after that opening start this morning. With Arrival, we apologise for the technical difficulties there this morning. Their audio wasn't coming through. I had to switch channel. But anyway, we are back with the main show right now. So if it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely great. And let's get straight into our trades today. Let's have a little look where we are right now. The S&P 500 down very slightly at the moment. Sorry, up slightly. I do apologise. What am I talking about? I'm telling you the wrong thing here. Up 0.18 at the moment, and then we go over to Virgin Galactic. Bit of a sell-off this morning, but coming back up again. Not too bad at all. I expect today to be a green day for Virgin Galactic, so I'm excited about that. Let's go through all our stocks. Virgin Orbit is up at the moment as well. We are expecting a drop so we can get back in. Tesla is having a recovery today. That's good to see. And we're all doing well. If you're in the live chat now, let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Who's with us this morning? We've had a few technical difficulties this morning with Arrival's earnings. But nevertheless, we are back with you now. So everything should be fine. Okay. I think we're all good now. We did have a few technical issues, but we should be fine. Going through Tesla now, moving on to Rivian. We've got the earnings with Rivian and Lucid coming up as well. We got after hours today. After hours today is Lucid. So we are looking to see what Lucid do today. No surprise that Arrival missed on their earnings. Look, down 12.5% now. Down 25%. They missed dramatically on earnings. Expected to do 0.09. In fact, they did 0.49. This company could go bust. I mean, genuinely, it could go bust. You might go, well, yeah, but it's down such a much, I mean, there's nowhere for it to go. It's all very well talking the stock up, but at the end of the day, they've run out of money, and with interest rates going up, it's going to be harder to raise money. They can't dilute the stock because there's nothing to dilute. They are in all kinds of bother. So if you want to buy it as a lottery ticket and lower your average at 51, but remember, this could go bust. This could be the first company I've invested in that could actually go bust. So I don't see how there could be any good news from what they've said today. It was their worst earnings. They missed on earnings big time. They got to raise money. As much as it's an opportunity to buy the stock when it's gone down 12.5%, it's also chasing dead money, I think. So I don't think you should put your money into that. But anyway, that's what we think here. Amazon is up 0.3. Apple is up 0.42 today. Robinhood is down 1%. McDonald's is flat at the moment. Coca-Cola is up 0.25. J&J is up 2.96. Google's having a bit of a push now, 0.34 up, still 10% down. Microsoft just 1.98 out of the money right now, so not too bad at all. What about Meta? Meta's dropping 0.5% this morning. I'm down 16.5%, nearly 17%. SoFi, 0.19 up. IonQ up 1.33. Walmart down 0.1. Target is up 0.24. Tesco is up 0.3. Canoe is up 1.14. On is up 1.27. Tilray is down 1%, but I'm still showing 8% up. Of course, election day today, typically, historically, we get a rally. Enphase Energy up 1.92. Bitcoin SV is up 0.73. Bitcoin itself is down 0.33. And Ethereum is flat right now. There you go. There's my overall position. Expecting a green day today, no matter what happens in the elections in the US. So we'll see how it all pans out. Time for a quick cup of tea, I think. Let's see how it all pans out. We're down at the moment. We've got an hour to go before the bell goes. We're getting a bit of an early morning bit of volatility, as you can see, but we can ride that out, not a problem at all. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Apologies for Arrival earnings this morning. Technical difficulty not receiving their audio, and nothing I could do about that. Okay. Just got some breaking news from Robinhood. Nothing important. But, anyway. Oh, which tea is it, please? I think this is the red tea this morning, Bill. They just keep surprising me. I'm not a connoisseur tea drinker like you are, Bill. She just makes different ones every day. I like them all. I know you keep asking me to review them all, but I can't really review them all, Bill. I got 12-hour working days. I haven't got time to review. I appreciate you sending me the tea. I'm enjoying it. I'm drinking it all the time, but they're all different. They're all different, but I'm not a connoisseur tea drinker like you. I'm just a good old-fashioned English breakfast tea drinker. So, and I like to put milk in my tea as well. So most of my tea tastes very similar. As long as it's a cup of tea with milk in it and it's hot, I love it. So that's as good as you're going to get from me, Bill, I'm afraid. I know you're very scientific, it seems, on your tea, but I'm just good old-fashioned tea. If it's got a hot and milk in it, I'm happy with it. Anyway, just a name mentioned. You are from England. just a name mentioned, you are from England tea time. I'm from England. Yeah, I'm from England. What do you mean I'm from England? What does that mean? I didn't understand your question, Bill. Sorry. Anyway, we are live with you this morning. We are watching the markets at the moment. Try the white with red rose at the same time. Okay. I probably have. Leah keeps giving me all that. She just keeps rotating it. So I keep going through all of them. Anyway. Thank you again. Right. The S&P 500 is up 0.18 at the moment. Why can't I fit that in there? There you go. Oh, flipping heck. There we go. That's better. Fixed it. Arrival. Let's see how Arrival's doing right now. Arrival is still going down. Would you chase it? Are you chasing it? Yeah, tea drinkers in England. Tea time is 3:30 to 5. For me, Bill, it's tea time all the time. For me, it's tea time all the time. Anyway, let's have a quick look at where we are now. Arrival is still going down at 13.69. Continually falling. 13.6. 51. I really think you're catching a very, very heavy falling knife now. Their earnings missed. Big time. I don't know. That's a huge gamble. But at the end of the day, they've got no money left. They talked about raising funds. There's no, where's the funds going to come from? I don't know. Does anyone fancy it as a complete punt? For me, my morning tea and some at tea time. Okay, Bill. Down 94% now. 51. I mean, is it going to go bust? Is it worth buying it to see what happens? $83. Should I buy it? Should I buy 100? Oh my gosh. I like what they're doing, but seriously. Should I do a limit order? Limit price. 51. Whoops. 0.5103. 161. Let's have a look. 161. I'll double it up. $82. Good for the day. Review order. Has it stopped going down? Or is it going to go even lower this morning? What do you reckon? Is it worth $82? Let's have a laugh. There we go. It's probably dead money, to be honest. But there you go. There you go. What do you think? Arrival's earnings massive miss. Worth a stab at it. It's so low. I mean, it's so low. You can buy $100. You can buy the company. You know, I don't know. I think it's a huge gamble. But you know, you think, well, it's $164, isn't it? Stop making the biggest moves in pre-market. Take two. Yeah, we're starting to move now. Is anyone buying Arrival right now? Coming up into the greens shortly. Coal CEO Michelle Gass to step down from Church of Logic. Our roving reporter is bringing us breaking news here this morning. Stocks making the biggest moves in pre-market. Take two, Interactive, Lyft, TripAdvisor, and more. We are moving up. There we go. We will turn green. I said it will be a green day today. I do think today with the elections it will be a good day. The S&P is moving up. Virgin Galactic is moving up. And that's what I'm saying. With Arrival, I think it's completely speculative at this stage. They've missed massively on earnings, but you can buy the company so cheap. It's a lucky punt. It's a lucky punt. What is it now? It didn't just miss. It fell off a cliff. It really did. I feel it's a bit. I feel it's such a good concept. It could be one of those lucky things that you just leave for 5 years and see what happens. But I've got 322 now. The poor investors who bought it up at a few dollars a share. My gosh. It could go down again. Don't forget, this could go down to 29 cents a share. If it isn't above $1, maybe by May it'll be delisted. There you go. There you go. I just bought 160 just to look half my average for the sake of it, just for sake of it. I'll watch it, see what happens. We'll come back to it. Probably on the open it'll go even lower. Anyway, whatever. We are green right now. 99.99999% of my investments are on something sensible, but you know what I mean? It's a bit of a laugh, isn't it? It's only because I like the concept. I think what they're doing is great. They just run out of money. It's a bit of a sad story, really. Inflation and interest rates, it's not going for them, is it? Virgin Galactic's up. US confirms it held talks with Kremlin over nuclear threat. Ukraine hit by emergency power shutdowns. Breaking news from our roving reporter, Churchy. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, it's coming back up. I bought 100 and where did I buy? It was 201. I've got to buy it at 280. Lucid earnings tonight. Hopefully they won't be on a Zoom call and I'll pick up the audio better. But Lucid and Rivian after hours tomorrow. So there we go. Lucid worth looking at on the earnings. There goes Arrival. Told you it would go lower. I've probably just thrown $80 away. We're up 0.2 now, 39,735, holding up. If you just tuned in this morning, a subscriber, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And of course, today is the election day, so we're expecting a bounce today. And a lot of people now are talking about a bottom. I don't know anything about that. No one does. But historically, the amount of time that we've been down and the amount we've been down and the fact we're moving now into an election time, we could. CPI out on Thursday. There's a chance that could cool down a little bit in our favour. So a lot of these stocks oversold. Let's have a look at our high-tech stocks at the minute. Google's having a bit of a return. So is Microsoft. All of these I bought on the dips. And Meta. Looked more into Meta. I do like that. I'm more interested in the metaverse, shall I say? Had a little look at it. All depends on that CPI figure. Yes, it does. If that's come down and improved, we could be in for a bit of a rally. And there's some evidence to suggest that is the case. The markets are slowing. We've got employment slowing. So it's all going in the right direction. It's all about patience. I was looking at Warren Buffett's long-term portfolio. Majority of his portfolio is made up of 5 shares, 5 companies, and 2 of them I own. So I feel in good company. Apple and Coca-Cola, big positions there. Will dictate market direction for the rest of the year. Yes, I believe so. Sorry I didn't say good morning. Wanted to get the news out. It's hey Church, you're doing your job, mate. Don't worry about that. You are our roving reporter, sending us the news. That's what you do, and we love it. Thank you very much for doing so. Right, up 0.18. Is Arrival still going to fall? Of course it's going to keep falling. It's going to go down to like $20, 20 cents a share in a minute. It might, like say, delisted. I did just throw another $80 at it. It's so cheap. So cheap. It's like buying a lottery ticket. I think the company's finished. I don't know why I'm doing it, but there you go. See if we get a bit of a bounce this morning. Just hold on to it. See what happens. Bit of entertainment, isn't it? Point 2.21. So we are going to talk about prison stocks today. I really see serious gains next year. So are we going to talk about prison stocks today? We can review a few prison stocks. You find us the prison stocks we should look at and we'll have a look. All right. The S&P is up 0.33. Virgin Galactic now flat, looking good. I'm up 5.65. I'm in the money on Virgin and Galactic. It's 12% of my portfolio. Got 2,100 shares. We are up in the money. Shall I sell it all, make $584? And what do you reckon? After everything I've said, I'll sell it all today. There you go. Virgin Orbit, waiting for it to... good earnings last night. Great company, but still waiting for it to go back down again. That's what this stock does, see? It was 316 last night, and now it's 292. This is what it does. It doesn't seem to matter at the moment. There's no buying pressure in this stock. No one's really buying it. I don't know why. It's a great company, but as long as that exists, people just scalp it, and it just doesn't go anywhere. So anyway, or you could buy it and leave it for the long term. That's another way of looking at it. I mean, let's be honest. I just bought Arrival, right? I mean, seriously, I just bought Arrival on that same idea, but they're completely different companies. One actually makes money. Trying to return. I'm 16% down now. I was 25, so it won't take much for me to get into the green again. Should it go up? I don't see why it would. Does anyone see why it should go up today? I don't know. So we are going to talk about GEO, Palantir, and CXW. Okay, is that our prison stocks? Is it? Apple. Why are you so hell bent on prison stocks? You think everyone's going to go to prison? CXW looks like the best. All right, we'll discuss it today. We'll have a few polls on it. We'll review it, and let's have a little look. But anyway, we'll do that shortly. Okay, 45 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready for the morning. What sort of day are we going to have today? I think we're going to have a green day. I think I'll hit 40,000 and might even stay up there. Have I hit the bottom? Who knows? I don't know. Do you know? All right, see you back in... hang on, let me just refresh this. There we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back with you once again. Thank you very much indeed. And for Churchy, we're going to look at some prison stocks today. We're up 0.13 at the moment. Still holding up. Let's have a little quick look. This is where we are right now, 39,706. See if we gained any subscribers this morning. I had technical difficulties in my Arrival earnings, so I feel a bit awful getting subscribers for nothing. But let's have a little look. 5243. I gained a couple, but it's gone quiet now because it didn't really work out very well this morning. I've made those alterations and fixes, so hopefully it'll be all right. See, look, 104 people have come through Arrival's earnings. Anyway. I had a technical issue this morning. Back with Robinhood. Bit of scalp trading there. Back to Arrival. Still falling. 49 cents now. 18% down. Brickmark. Hi. How are you? Good morning to you. Terrible earnings this morning from Arrival. We've got Lucid earnings tonight. And then we've got Rivian in the after hours tomorrow. Hopefully you'll join us. So let's do a poll right now. Start a poll because I love Rivian. I love Lucid cars. Might be an opportunity tonight to get some very cheap Lucid. Are you in for Lucid after hours today? Okay. Yes or no? Are you joining me for after hours with Lucid today? There you go. All right. There we go. Yes, and thanks for the Orbit show last night. Great show, and everyone just seems uninterested in the company, and I heard nothing but great. I know! I feel exactly the same as you. It's a great company. It doesn't really know what it feels about its stock price. So when you talk to employees, no one has any faith in the stock price. That's what I discovered. That's what I'm concerned about with Virgin Orbit, and neither do anybody else. There's no volume. No one's buying it. Everything's great. One of those companies, maybe it's just not on the radar yet. It's going to do great in the future. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, Mark Korn is here. Does the 24/7 running your videos have any effect? Yes, it does, Bill. Yes, it does. You watching all my videos? Yes. Has a huge benefit to me. Thank you very much. Yes, of course. All the views that I get from you and everyone add up. Yes, indeed. You watching my videos? Absolutely. You don't need to comment on every single one, Bill, because I try to reply to every comment, and I get 100, 200 comments a day from you, and I try to reply to them all, but it's very difficult. But yeah, just watching them all, watching videos is always great for a YouTuber. It's a huge help. Hey family, just watching, not chatting, just had my flu vaccine, got a dead arm. Everybody go and punch Mark in the arm. Go and punch Mark in the arm. There we go. All good today, busy working, says Mark. Bill, how are you feeling today? Yes, how are you today? I know you're having a lot of pain yesterday, Bill. I want a Lucid car, 1,200 horsepower on the top model at $450,000. Yeah, there you go. Nice. I will try to let videos play in the background also. I'll try. Yeah, you can set up playlists and you can let them run. Of course it is. It's a huge advantage for my channel. The more views my channel gets, the more money the channel earns. You know, if you watch back-to-back videos, you don't get an ad every time. It's not like I'm getting ad revenue on every single video, because YouTube want you to have a nice experience. They don't put an ad before every single video. There's, you know, it spreads it out. But yeah, it absolutely helps. Virgin Galactic running out of cash. No, Virgin Galactic is not running out of cash at all. I don't agree with that. JH, Virgin Galactic running out of cash. No. No, they'll be okay. They got plenty of time. We're doing all right. The overall portfolio is up 0.19. The S&P is up today, just 2% out of the money now. Virgin Galactic is on a wash at the moment. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for a nice buy there. Tesla, Rivian, we've got the earnings for Lucid tonight. Most of you not interested in Lucid. Only 38% of you are interested in Lucid at the moment. Rivian is in the morning, going to look more into Branson's lawsuit. Branson, yes, please do. Like you said yesterday, and I looked into that. Branson gets sued all the time. In fact, I want to make that point. All big companies, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Meta, everyone is getting sued. If you are a corporate public company or a public person like that, you're always getting sued. I just want to absolutely clear that up. Everyone is always getting sued with if you're a company, right? A public company. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're breaking rules all the time, and it's just part of the course. Which means he won't buy back anytime soon. It seems like a personal lawsuit, does it? Yeah. I'm not concerned by a company being sued. It happens all the time. Arrival trying to come back up now. I bought some more this morning. I just want to say that I know this is ridiculous. I know this is a bit of fun. It literally is a bit of fun, because the company are going to go bankrupt. So why am I doing it? Am I throwing money against the wall? Probably, if I'm honest. The reality is I like the concept, and I like EVs, and I like the way Arrival are going about things. Well, I like what they're doing. However, they've run out of money, and with interest rates going up and inflation, it's just the macro backdrop is just so difficult for them right now. It's virtually... the writing's on the wall. They've even admitted this morning on the call they need to raise capital, and how can they? I mean, how can they? They can't dilute stock. I mean, the shareholders would just, that'd be it, all over. So it's gone down. Remember, it can be delisted. So, you know, anyway, you ain't doing it right if you're not being sued. There you go. There you go. I haven't been sued yet, but I do have scammers and bots and I don't know, what do you call them? People that harass me and stuff like that. So I guess I'm not big enough to get sued yet. You've got to remember, more than half of these companies that were SPACs are scams. There you go. Nate Miller. Nate Miller. How are you today? You're not a member right now. What happened there? You got to remember, more than half of these companies that were SPACs are scams. Well, there we go. That's not good, is it? Remember, 75% of the companies in the last 10 years in the Fortune 500 don't exist anymore. We've not yet experienced it yet, but companies do go bust. Let's just remember that. Agree with Nate. There you go. And maybe Arrival is one of them. So don't keep throwing money at it. If you want to have a little play with it this morning and whatever. But anyway, the best scenario for Arrival is for them to be acquired, but it won't be for much money. I agree. Be bought out. So there you go. I'm down 16%. I had a little flutter, and I call it a flutter. That is gambling. Of course it is. And I don't gamble. It's very irresponsible of me to do it. And I'm trying to make sure that everybody realizes I'm not suggesting for a minute anyone goes out and buy a rival. You know, don't do it. Just because I've done it, don't do it. You are throwing your money away. Potentially. There's a very good chance you've thrown your money away. Anyway, I just want to make absolutely sure I've repeated that over and over again. Okay, welcome everyone. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got a big day today. We've got the opening bell, closing bell. In between, at 20 past 11, I am going to... hopefully, I'm going to go and see if I can get my phone fixed. But I'm 99.9%, if not 100% certain it's fried. It's still not working, but I'm going to have a look at it today. I've got a new phone coming today. So I've got, I'm making sure I've got a phone, because I can't be on TikTok at the moment. I don't have a phone. I'm using a backup phone. It's quite annoying. But anyway, let's have a look. Top of the morning to you chaps. Here he is, Newton Heath. How are you, Newton Heath? There you go. Now, I just want to mention we've got a lot of our original members here today in the channel. While I've been away on holiday, a lot of you have let your subscriptions lapse on Twitch. And remember, it's free using Amazon Prime. And every month I do a free cash draw to all my subscribers. So why don't you subscribe to me on Twitch? And it promotes this channel if you keep it running on a separate tab. Always make YouTube the home, but keep Twitch running on a separate tab. There is the link in the chat if you've not yet done it. Subscribe to Twitch. Let me see how many people are over there. We're trying to get 75 viewers so we can move up to partner level. We are affiliate right now. We've got 10 subscribers. We've lost 10 when I was on holiday. People let it lapse. So if you are or you were over on... There we go. It's going up now. We've got 2 viewers. We need 75. I'm trying to get 75 so I can become partner. But right now, just 10 subscribers. So 1 in 10 chance of winning the monthly cash draw just by being a free subscriber using Amazon Prime. Anyway, back to our position. Virgin Galactic's on a wash at the moment. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. I've got a buy at 180. People are saying, analysts are saying it could go to 150. Lucid earnings after hours tonight. Hopefully you'll join me for that. Most of you are interested in that. Rivian after hours is tomorrow. Arrival's trying to pop back up again. There'll be some speculative buying, just like me. So I might set a buy order here, a stop trail loss if we get some kind of pop. Yeah, as it goes up, I'll set a stop trail loss, I think, and just get out of it. Anyway, whatever. I'm twitching. Thank you, Mike. Newton Heath. What United used to be called? What United used to be called? Newton Heath. LYRFC. Manchester United. So what is with... In fact, what is the Thank you. Oh, Lance William is now following me on Twitch. Thank you for the following. Oh, there we go. There we go. More of you are now following me. Fantastic. If you subscribe now using Amazon Prime, turn your gaming on, you'll be in our monthly free prize draw. Basically, I give away the money I get in subscriptions. That's it. It's free money. Plug. I must have missed it. Plug. We didn't do plug, if that's what you're talking about. We didn't do plug earnings. We did arrival earnings, but we had a technical issue with it. And there we go. It's coming back up a little bit. It's trying to return. I bought some more this morning purely as speculative gambling, and I don't even do that. So there you go. I guess I do sometimes. Right? Anyway, margin after election. Oh, well, I reckon the election is going to be good for the stocks. I expect a green day today. 5 viewers on Twitch right now. Thank you ever so much. Let me share Twitch. Please do not, if you get a bad stream on Twitch, lower the resolution, because I stream in 4K. YouTube can accept it. Twitch doesn't like it. So lower that. But don't watch me on YouTube. Just keep it open on another tab. And the reason for that is the more people that have it open running, the more people on Twitch find me and come onto YouTube. That's the idea. But if you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, you'll be in your free prize draw. Look, they are. Look. We want to get to 75. We're up now to 7 viewers. We've got 10 subscribers. So it's growing. We want to grow on Twitch. Twitch, more people go live on Twitch than YouTube. YouTube is our home, but it's a great way to promote the channel. Church is right. What did Church say? Democrats keep control. Well, nothing will happen at all. What we need is, for the stocks to rally, we need a bit of a Republican win. Not an all-out takeover, but to get a little bit of balance. That's what will make the stocks rally today, and that's on the cards. Anyway, CPI, more important, Church. Yeah, that's on Thursday. We're looking for that, and all indications are CPI will be good. The markets are calming. The economy is calming. Employment is under pressure, so things are going in the right direction. Stocks have been oversold. You know, fantastic. We've got 8 viewers now on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. Please just keep it open as a separate tab. Do not abandon YouTube. But thank you ever so much. Look at that. It's really going up now. Brilliant. 75, we can get partner on YouTube, on Twitch. That'd be awesome. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, waiting for a drop. Tesla, I've got an order at 180. Rivian. We've got Rivian earnings tomorrow morning, and we've also got a Lucid after hours tonight. There's Lucid. I'm down 12%. Arrival. Amazon going up now, 0.64. Apple going up. I tried to buy at 130, it wouldn't let me. Yeah. Robinhood, I'm up at the moment, 4%. Just dropping a little bit. A lot of scalp trading going on there. McDonald's looking good. Coca-Cola looking good. What's my McDonald's now? My McDonald's now is up nearly 14%. J&J doing good. The return of the tech stocks. All this good signs. Look at Microsoft. Oh, yes. Just 1.6 out of the money now. Meta is down at the moment. October 2022 CPI data is scheduled to be released on November the 10th. Yep, on the opening bell. We'll be here live for the CPI on Thursday. Yeah, we'll be here. We'll be here as we are always. Are we anywhere else? I mean, is there another channel you need? CPI. Oops. Opening bell Thursday. Consumer confidence is near its lowest in a decade, and that could be a problem for Biden. Auto loan delinquencies rise as loan accommodation programs end. There we go. All Meta just dropping right now at the moment. Not concerned. My overall portfolio is up 0.27. Looking good. The S&P 500 is gaining strength. I'm 2% out of it at the moment. I've got orders to buy the S&P 500 at, I will tell you my new low, 320. If it goes to 320, all of a sudden I would buy another one. But I don't really want to buy anymore, but I will if I have to. Right, time for a very quick commercial break. We're just gone past the hour. So we're getting ready for just half an hour to go, which will be a very interesting day today with the election. It could be a very, very explosive day. Anyway, let's have a little look. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back with you now. Auto loan delinquencies rise as loan accommodation program ends, from Church of Logic. All right, Virgin Orbit, we're trying to get a buy. In fact, all my stocks, I'm trying to get buys on. We're up 0.31. Also, I want to share this with you as well. We're up on the day, which is good, but look at the month. Look at the month now. We're up on the last 3 weeks. Look at that. Just put some context into it. From here, look, from October the 13th, we're up nearly 3.5 weeks now. Look at that. Look at that. We're actually up over the last 3.5 weeks. Not that shabby. Have we hit bottom? I don't know. I'm not suggesting it for a minute, but remember, no one knows you've hit bottom until a few months afterwards. They look back and tell you that was the bottom. There's every sign we could have hit bottom. Every indication. Remember, the economy recovers 6 months. The markets are 6 months ahead of the economy. So what we're doing here is forward thinking. The markets could rally before the economy does. So just remember that. They are completely separate things. Tilray expands and strengthens US. Let's have a look at Tilray. Here we go. Thanks for that news, Mike. Tilray expands and strengthens US footprint with acquisition of the fastest growing craft brewer in Metro New York. That's good news this morning. Very, very good. Tilray is up, looking good. In fact, I think as we are a little bit quiet on volatility at the minute, we will make a couple of videos. 42 minutes. Here we go. 42 mins TLRY. That's good news for Tilray. Thank you very much, Mike. I get a lot of views for Tilray, so that will be really helpful. Thank you so much indeed for that information. Let's go over to the screen here and let's bring in some Tilray. Watching it right now. I'm up on it 9.37. I'm not going anywhere until it gets to $4. Sorry, $40. I beg your pardon. All right, Tilray. Looking good. Acquires Montauk Brewing. Montauk Brewing. Okay. All right. Thank you for that. Let's do it then, shall we? Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Tilray brands up today in pre-market. Just got some breaking news a few moments ago from one of our viewers, and that is they acquire Montauk Brewing. This just came in from Mike, one of our viewers, researchers on the team. Very, very good indeed, and we're looking at some very interesting information coming in here. Tilray, of course, it's imminent for the legislation to pass. US. We know that's happened in Germany. Tilray very strong over the last few days. In fact, we've been I'm up 9.37. We've been higher, but I'm not selling this stock until it reaches $40 a stock. I will trim off along the way, but there you go. Looking pretty good. If you've just tuned in for the very first time here to our channel, please subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. We go live all the time, up to 10 hours a day here to bring you the breaking news. But we got some more information right now. I'm going to share it with you as well. And that is Tilray expands and strengthens US footprint with acquisition of the fastest growing craft brewer in Metro New York. So that's just come in as well from Mike. So that's breaking news right now for Tilray. I'll bring it on the screen so you can read it in detail. There you go. And the fastest growing craft brewer in Metro New York. That is the one thing about with Tilray, as compared to other cannabis companies, they are very forward thinking. They've got a very good balance sheet and they are acquiring smaller companies all the time. So when legislation in the US gets cleared, they are ready to go. So they're in a very, very strong position. That's why I own Tilray. I'm not interested in cannabis. It's not something I'd ever use or interested in it, but I know it's going to make money. So what do you think? Leave your comments below. Where do you think Tilray is going to go? Do you think it's a $40 stock? I do. I do think it's a $40 stock. So let me know in the comments below. Until we meet again, if you want to join us up here, this is our live shows. We're live 10 hours a day, bringing you breaking news, and hopefully you'll join us on a live show. We're actually live right now. These comments are coming in on a live show. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do a quick thumbs up for Tilray. There we go. And there you go. That's Tilray. Put that in the bank. I'll bring that on in a minute. By the way, Montauk is in a very far part of Long Island. It's not part of Metro New York. Oh, okay. New York just passed recreation use. New York just passed recreation use next year. Muted, hi all. Dr. APT muted. What does Dr. APT muted mean? Was I muted? You don't mean me, do you? 1, 2. No, that was 1, 2. No, that was all working. I wasn't muted, was I? No, I don't think so. Just saying from quote from Globe Newswire. Thank you very much for that information, though, Mike. Right, Tilray looking good. Let's go back to their overall position. Let's have a little look. Up 0.29. What else is moving this morning? We've got, Lucid. Lucid. I need to do this one, so let's put this out as well. Where are we now? $48. Not that long to go now before the bell goes. We've got to get these done quick. Lucid. After hours tonight. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Lucid earnings tonight. Join us live for the earnings. We're going to cover it live. Now, Lucid have produced a great cars, fantastic, but their problem is ramping up. They are struggling to ramp up. It's taking a lot more time and a lot more money. They're realizing what Tesla really has done. Despite that, there are rumors linking them to Apple with the Apple car. Lucid have got great technology, a great car, a great company, but the stock has been slaughtered recently. But tonight we've got the earnings. If you want to join us for the earnings, click here and that will take you to our live earnings report tonight. I'd like your thoughts and your comments. Smash the like button and leave your comments below and tell me, what do you think of Lucid? Can it compete against Tesla, will it survive? And because remember, a lot of the companies that we are investing in might not be around in 5 years' time. It's very easy to invent a great car. I say it's easy, I can't do it. But anyway, it's very easy to invent a great car, but it's another thing to ramp it up around the world and make a successful business. But Lucid, earnings tonight. Join us live here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Have a great afternoon. Thank you. All right, let's ticker that. Let's thumbnail. Okay, there is Lucid. Rivian, let's go back to Arrival right now. Let's see what they're doing. Arrival and Rivian. If we can get this in before the morning, before the bell goes, that'll be brilliant. Arrival. So, where are we going with Arrival? Okay. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Arrival, disastrous earnings today. Absolutely awful. The company are running out of money. It's as simple as that. The project is great. What they're doing is great, but they are in a macro climate right now that isn't conducive to companies struggling to raise money. They need to raise money. They've admitted that. They can't dilute the shares. They're already worth nothing. There's a chance that the stock will be delisted. Let me know in the thoughts below. Smash the like button. Do you think Arrival is about to go bankrupt? Is it about to be delisted? I have bought some more this morning. I do regard it as a complete random lottery ticket. I am very, very familiar and very aware that I could be throwing my money against the wall. It can't go much lower. But yes, it can. It can go to 1 cent, go bankrupt and be delisted. So what do you think? Is Arrival a good play? I love what they're doing. I love the potential of the company. They're more likely to be bought out. If they're bought out, that could be good for us. Who knows? Are you buying Arrival right now? Let me know in the comments below. Smash the like button. And I'd love to know your thoughts on Arrival. Is it a buy or is it about to go bye-bye? Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a thumbnail for this. Do a surprise look. I hate doing these silly faces, but it works though. People watch it. There you go. There's my silly face. I'll do a contemplating one too. There you go. Serious one there. Now then, Rivian. Let's go back to the main portfolio and let's have a quick look. We're up 0.19. Rivian earnings in the morning. Rivian now. Or after hours tomorrow. This is much more interesting. Sid, I got to pay the bill, Sid. Right, here we go. Rivian. Let's have a look. Rivian. This is Rivian. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Rivian earnings after hours. After hours tomorrow night. If you'd like to join us for the Rivian live earnings, click here and that will take you to the Rivian earnings. Now, I like Rivian. I made a lot of money with this stock on the way up. Went all the way up to $170 a share. And I've never, ever lost money on it. I sold it on the way up. I sold it on the way down. I made money and then I reinvested my profits and bought it at 29. In fact, 26. If you look at my average right now, I haven't got that many shares of it now. I've got much reduced position, just 26 shares right now at $26. 26 shares, $26. It seemed to make sense at the time. I love what Rivian are doing. I think that this is a $100 stock in 2 years. So I don't need to buy any more. If it drops on earnings and goes below 26, I absolutely 100% will buy more. So I'll set a limit order. Should we get a flash, and it does happen, the famous incident we saw on Amazon when it went down like 20% in 1 second and right back up again. Always worth, this isn't financial advice, but always worth having a buy order at a ridiculously low price should it happen. And it does happen. It does happen. So I will set a limit order of Rivian for something like 25, 24. And if I get in there, I can buy some more because it's always made me money. Rivian, join us for the after hour earnings. If you click up here, it'll take you to all the live videos as well, so you can be part of it. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that Rivian is a good buy? Is it going to do well tomorrow night? Well, it's early days, but I think if you can get it for $26, which is my average, I think you are in a very, very strong position. So I'm going to set another buy down at that level, and if it goes down and I can grab some, then I will do so. There we go. Rivian, very, very interesting. Join us tomorrow night for the after hours earnings. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a thumbnail for that. There you go. Okay, there we go. There's all the videos made this morning that can promote what's going on today. So let's get back to our trading position. And we're just 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. So let's get ready to rumble. Let's check all our positions right now. There we go. Oh, we've just gone down a bit. Okay. We'll be back in just 10 seconds from now. Smash the like button and get ready for a explosive day. It's election day. We are expecting a green day today. At least I am. Anyway, how do you feel about today? So here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, there we go. Good afternoon, Crag. Good afternoon, Crag. Welcome. Well, Crag was the winner of our star prize. It's on the way, all the way to Ireland. All the way, County Antrim. It was one of those that the postage cost more than the product on this particular one. England's okay because they make the product in England, but Ireland, they don't make it. So it was, I think, about 20 bucks for the postage for Ireland. There you go. I didn't know that, but there you go. They don't make them in Ireland, apparently. So I've learned something there. And I can't wait for you to get your Northern Ireland. Oh, I apologise. Apologise, Crag. Anyway, send me a picture when you get it, and you'll be added to the Rogues Gallery with all our other traders and investors. Can you look at DWAC pre-market? Oh, yeah, we got to look at it. Good morning, oh, Queen of Self-Braiding. We've got to look at it. You're absolutely right. We got to look at it. I totally agree with you. We got to look at DWAC. Bit of fun, right? We got to look at it. What you mean $5? We've got a comment here. I missed it. Oh, Rivian will see $5 as Ford company got 500 million for 100 million shares. What's that? Rivian will see $5 as Ford company got 500 million for 100 million shares. I think Ford and Amazon already sold their shares, didn't they? And the stock's fine. Not sure what you mean by that. Anyway. Queen of Logic. So here we go. We were looking at DWAC for who was it who requested that? Who was it who requested that? It was Crag. Is Crag a member? Yes, he's a member. He's allowed to review a stock. DWAC. In fact, this could be an interesting one today with the election going on. I might do it. I might make a video. Have I got time? Yeah, I have. DWAC. I have got time. Yeah, look. I knew this was going to happen. Oh my gosh, if you buy this now, you're off your head. It is, well, actually, I can't say that because I've just gone and bought Arrival, a company that's guaranteed to go bankrupt. So what am I talking about? Anyway. Also, have a look at Funware, please, mate. All right, let's have a look. Let me have a look at this first of all. DWAC. I got to talk about DWAC today. I got to talk about DWAC. Hang on, here we go. DWAC. That is what time am I doing this? I've got time. I've got 7 minutes. Yeah, I got time. 59 minutes. 59. Let's have a little look. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. DWAC, Donald Trump's social media platform, Truth Social. I have an account on it. What are your thoughts on this? It's election day. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for the casino to open? This is purely 100% speculative gambling. I have to say that, right off the bat. I have made money with DWAC. I will tell you, I did it twice. I popped in, it popped up, and I sold it. I don't own it. I don't keep it. I don't believe in it. But there you go. Right now, we're down 9.62. Look at the top, look. It says the stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. There is nothing more passionate today than Donald Trump supporters in the United States of America. And this is his platform. This is what he loves. This is what all the Donald Trump supporters love. This stock could go up and down like a yo-yo today. It's been, you know, the very Donald Trump supporters who love this stuff. No one holds it. No one holds it. No one has any real faith in the stock. It doesn't. It seems, because it sells up and down. It gets pumped. It's dumped. It's a casino. And remember, you can be left holding the bag. Let's have a quick look at it. You saw what it's done. Look, recently, it went nowhere for ages. Then it popped up on this news. Now it's coming back down. It popped up here because rumored, you know, Donald Trump's going to run again. And today we got the elections and everything else. So it popped up, went back down again. Let's have a little look over the year. Let's have a little look over the last year. There you go. It's down. It did get as high as 83, maybe even 100. Yeah, $100 there at one point. But there you go. It's very, very volatile. It is a casino. It's 100% gambling. You might have a bit of fun on it though. What do you think? I'd love your thoughts and comments, please. Who's going to win the election today? What's going on? Are you a Donald Trump supporter? Are you against it? What do you think? I'd love your thoughts in the comments below. Let's wake this one up today. Let's get a bit of excitement in the chat. Are you an investor in DWAC? Do you think the Truth Social is great? Will Donald Trump come back on Twitter? I don't know. Elon Musk has invited him. So far, he doesn't want to come back on again. I don't know how he can refuse for much longer because he's got millions of fans over there. Why wouldn't he? But of course, he wants them to watch on his own platform. Kind of makes sense. I kind of get it. But anyway, what do you think? DWAC, is it the sale of the century? Is it Casino Royale? Has it gone crazy? What do you think? Let me know in your thoughts below. And of course, as always, subscribe and ring the bell for breaking news. There we go. Let me know. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a ticker for this one. Oh my gosh, let's do a dramatic. What should we do? What should we do? We've got 3 minutes to go. DWAC. Oh my gosh. All right, there we go. There's the silly face for DWAC. We'll see what happens. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to it, and we'll see how it pans out today. Right, I'm flat right now. Made no money, lost no money. We're right where we started. All right, all good, all good, all good in the hood. What election is happening? What election? Something happening in the US today. Midterms, isn't it? I can't vote. I'm an Englishman. I have no say in anything. No one wants to know what I have to say. Nobody wants to know what I have to say. So it's nothing to do with me. I just watch and observe. Trump said last night was going to make a big announcement on the 15th of November. Yeah, it all depends on what happens today. If the Republicans win, he'll be in. He'll say, right, I'm running. If the Republicans get smashed and nothing, he'll go, he won't run. I mean, it's a bit, I prefer, I understand why he's doing it, but I prefer just, you know, make your stand. It's kind of, I'm going to wait and see how it all pans out before I say anything. Anyway, we shall see what happens. Let's go back to Arrival. We've got the bell in just a minute from now. Right then, here we go. Oh, my coffee's just arrived. Thank you very much, Leah. My coffee's arrived. Thank you very much. Right, we need 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? 30 likes now. Let's do it. 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 Let's get the likes in. Everybody, we got twice as many people watching the show as is light. As is light? Is that a real sentence? I don't know. All right, there we go. Smash the like button. We've got 1 minute. We need 30 likes. Do you want the markets to go up? Smash the like button. What that does, it tells the algorithm to push this video out to more people. So do that. Smash the like button. Here we go. And we're going to go now with the... we're counting down. Here we go. 50 seconds to go before the bell goes. Smash the like. We got 15, 16, 17. We're at 17 likes right now. We need another 13 likes to get to 30. Here we go. We're ready to open the ring the bell. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Smash the like button. Smash it. 16, 17, 18. We're on the way up. There we go. 30 seconds to go. Markets are going down. Gonna get a quick rebound, is my opinion. I reckon we'll be green today. You ready? We're about to ring the bell. Here we go in 15 seconds. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. You ready? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And the market is open. We've rung the bell and we are off. There we go. It's gone green straight away. Let's go through the lightning round and let's see what happens here this morning. First of all, we are down slightly. It's flashing about a little bit. Let's go through our stocks. Let's have a look at Arrival. Vanguard S&P. This is up. DWAC bouncing all around today. We'll keep our eye on that for you. Virgin Galactic is slightly down at the moment. Virgin Orbit doing well after the earnings, 3% and holding. The overall portfolio is taking a dive. It must be Tesla. Yes, there it goes. I've got a buy at 180. Rivian is also going down. Reports after hours tomorrow. Lucid reports after hours today. Let's have a look. Arrival, there it goes all the way down. Why did I buy it? Am I an idiot? Yeah, probably. But there you go. Arrival is going down 23%. Today, Arrival probably go bust. If I'm honest with you, there you go. We've just made an acquisition, I think. Robinhood, great. No, hang on, that's a deposit. No more buys yet. We're falling off a cliff. It's pre-market time. There we go. Down 0.75, down 1.32. That is Tesla. Let me have a look at all the high-tech stocks. What is it? SoFi. Falling off a cliff. Meta is down but rebounded straight away. Microsoft, look at that, look. The big tech stocks that sold off are holding up pretty well. They've already been oversold. See, Microsoft not going down. Meta is going up. All of these stocks, you see, they're holding. Google, J&J, that's taking a dive. I've got buy orders in place. I wonder if I'll get anything. Coca-Cola, still up. McDonald's is still up. 14% and up again today. Back to Arrival, see what it's doing. It's now down, look, 28%, falling off a cliff. Not surprising, it's finished. But anyway, we thought we'd have a bit of fun with it. Lucid reports after hours tonight. That's going up. If we've got in fact, I might set a buy order for that later on. I'll watch how it goes. I'm not 100% decided. Bought some Amazon. Amazon. There you go. I've got another order placed for Amazon at 87. 87. That's my... Oh, very close. Will I get a buy at 87? Will I get a buy at 87? All-time low. All-time low for me. All-time low. We are now down 1.25. We will get a rebound in a minute. I'm very confident of a green day. Really confident of a green day. S&P's now green. There you go. I do expect it. DWAC's all over the place as anticipated. Virgin Galactic's going down, but I'm still up. DWAC, well, there we go. DWAC is down. Of course, we're talking about Donald Trump's platform today on election day is very relevant. Virgin Orbit, I've got a buy order in place to buy some. Tesla at 180. Oh, very close. I've got an order at 180. Will it go down to 180? 188. We are losing some money today. The S&P is holding up. DWAC not doing much. Virgin Galactic's going down 2.93. I'm still up 2.5. I'm not selling it. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. At 180, I've got a buy. Tesla will fall to 170s. We shall see. No buys have gone through yet, and we're down 2%. Nothing happening yet. Could I ask, please? We've got a great audience, one of our biggest audiences for Harper's Date in the morning. Please, if you could smash the like button, it really helps the channel grow. We go live 10 hours a day. We're here. We have officially the highest engagement rate on YouTube. What I mean by that is more people in our live shows are members than any other channel. We have a 95% of our live members, of our live viewers are actually members. If you notice, nearly every single person is a member. So please help us, support us. If you're not a member, just like the video. It really helps. And if you become a member, you get many, many perks as a member. All right, it's designed to help you. Here is an invitation you want to join. You'll get full access to Discord. You get happy birthdays on your birthday. As the World Piano Man, I celebrate your birthdays and give you concerts. You have 20-minute fundraisers for free, all by being a member of this channel. You can call in live to the show. We can review a stock, promote a stock that you want to talk about. You can have a poll in the chat. Many, many perks. You get our free prize draw, cash draw every single Friday. DWAC's going down. I told you it would. Virgin Galactic come back up again. I'm not buying it at this position. Virgin Orbit, waiting for it to go down. Tesla, I've got a buy order at 180. What news event would lead you to sell all? Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all, Mr. Cossack. Absolutely nothing. My shares are value and I'm holding them. And I keep acquiring them when they go to all-time lows. That's it. A very similar philosophy to Warren Buffett on that. This week is easy to trade. Stocks will fall again Thursday. I'll buy today, sell tomorrow when it all goes up. Right, Rivian. We've got after hours earning of Lucid tonight and Rivian tomorrow. There we go. There is the situation with Lucid. We'll watch the earnings, waiting for it. Good stuff. And my attempt to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic, we have a plan for it. I rank number 1 for SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic in the search term on YouTube. And this is our space station behind me. When I pump out all the smoke, it all turns to the colors of Virgin Galactic. You have to watch the show to see that, but it does. And we're promoting Virgin Galactic with a song coming out soon, and all the money I make from that song, if it gets millions of views and makes millions of dollars, I will buy millions of shares of Virgin Galactic and hold them. And you'll see me do it. You'll see how much money I make. Absolutely. Companies have value. If people behind them are good at what they do. I'm very happy with the companies that I own. Coca-Cola is just down slightly. J&J is down slightly. I've got buys for all these great companies. Google doing all right. The problem we've got this morning is see, look, Meta is holding up as well. Meta's holding up. It's oversold. Microsoft oversold, and so is Google. And they're all holding up. Makes perfect sense. Whereas Tesla is overpriced, even though it's great and I love the company, it's yet to grow into its stock price. It has been a lot more, I know, and it will be again. So all you got to do is accumulate when it goes down. If it hits 180, I'll buy more. I'm not going to buy it at 189 and then 188 and 187. I'm going to buy it at 180 and that's it. Right. Okie dokie. Looking very good. I'm just waiting for the opportunities to come. What did Arrival do in the end? Arrival is returning. It's completely and utterly obliterated. It's probably going to go bankrupt. To be honest, coming back up now. 41 cents a share. It could be delisted. It's run out of money. It missed on earnings. You might, buying it at 25 cents. You know what I mean? Why not? I mean, bearing in mind, it's like when you buy a lottery ticket, you don't expect to win, do you? When you buy a lottery ticket, you expect your money to go down the toilet, right? Well, that's the way I see Arrival right now. Buy it. You never know. That's not financial advice. Do what you like. Amazon, I've got a buy at 87. 87. It won't go to zero at all. It won't go to zero. Well, it could be delisted. And anyway, we'll see what happens. 87, I've got a buy for Amazon. I've got a buy also for, look at it, getting close. We've also got Tesla as well. I've got a buy at 180. They would just stop making cars. Well, that's no good then, is it? They're not making any cars. What's the point of that? Right. Margin. I want to draw some context into this when everyone sees it going down. Over the month, look, we're only down 4%. Over the last 3 weeks, we're actually up. Just want to point that out. All right, so down 7%. It's just moved. It'll come back in a minute, though. So let's keep all that into context. Everyone gets so excited about daily movement. My portfolio is 100% Tesla. Oh, my gosh. 100% Tesla? Wouldn't have done that. It doesn't matter how much you love something. To be all in on one company, that's very risky. Very, very risky thing to do. Anyway, DWAC down. We talked about that today. Virgin Galactic's holding above $5. That's nice. It's support at $5. It broke through resistance the other day. It was yesterday. Broke through that $5 barrier. Let's see if it can hold. It's about to break. There we go. It's broken. $4.99. That's a great shame. That's a great shame. Never mind. It is what it is. Virgin Orbit. We're waiting for that to go back down again. It will change when I get some more dollars. Tesla. Buy at 180. Is Arrival coming back? Rivian. Lucid. Robinhood down 10%. Robinhood is down 10%. Oh, that's a heck of a drop. I've got a limit order to buy at $9. Yeah, $9. Vorb is up 5%. Told you Robinhood's a waste. Told you. I love it. All right, fantastic. We got a good number of people watching this morning. Welcome to the show. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, we got free cash prize giveaways every week. We have prize giveaways you can access on Discord. You can call into the channel. You can be live on the show. I will put your YouTube channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I will promote your TikTok channel. You can have a poll. I will do videos on the stocks that you want to see. All you got to do, smash the like button. Smash the like button. There it is. And become a member of our channel. There you go. Smash the like button. Get involved with our channel. And you can have all these things. I go live 10 hours a day to help people, support people. Genuinely, this is my real shares, my real money. All of it live every day up to 10 hours a day. Why watch DWAC? Because I was asked to by one of the members. If you are a member of our channel, you smash the like button, subscribe. I keep my eye on it. I told you what I think about it, but I am keeping an eye on it. All right. Welcome everybody to our show today. Let's see. We've got a great number of people watching right now. The S&P is going down. Tesla, we're waiting to buy at 180. We've got Rivian. After hours tomorrow, Lucid after hours tonight. We're covering it all live. Arrival, we bought some this morning. I know it's going bust. It was a bit of fun to demonstrate that. 87, I'm buying Amazon. Let's have a quick look. See if we gained any subscribers during today's show. Let's have a quick look. It's always nice to see. We've had 100 and 52, 124 come for the show so far. Average 200, 5,200. We gained another subscriber. That's great. Thank you very much indeed. All right, you can see the overall portfolio is falling. Amazon is a buy at the moment. Our high-tech stocks, our insurance money is looking good. It's holding up, which is, of course, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's, all doing very well. Just keep holding and accumulating. Microsoft, our tech stocks, Meta, and Google, holding up compared to everything else. Mullen is moving. Mullen is purely scamming stock. We know that. We've checked it out before. We've made money from it, but I'm not touching Mullen anymore. I'm trying to buy some Google, Meta, Apple, and SoFi today. Absolutely. Digital banks, SoFi. The banks are making the money. Robinhood's making the money. SoFi is a good buy right now. I've got a limit order placed there to buy when it goes down enough as well. It's good. Rivian, looking good. Still up in the money on Rivian. Tesla. Amazon's 8650 range looks good to me. Yes. Very close now to a buy on Tesla. This is a temporary bounce. I'm absolutely 100% certain we're going to get a bounce back in a minute. So I'm not at all concerned. Not at all concerned. It will come back. I'm on mute in doctor's office. I love it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Right, we've got a great crowd joined us today. Thank you very much indeed. Arrival, we're watching Arrival's collapse. Are we going to pick some up? We've already got some. Are you an Arrival fan? Subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We've got a huge audience, one of our best audiences today. Really, really good for an opening bell show. Smash the like button and you can be in our free cash prize draw. We do it every Friday and we're here to help everybody that supports this channel. We're here for everyone. I can't believe that. It's very odd, actually. I think it must be a lot of bots watching me because they're not chatting in the chat and they're not liking. So I reckon we've got a lot of bots or some very secret investors watching us today. Very strange and bizarre. Anyway, Arrival's trying to pump back up again. The overall market is down. S&P is going down. Tesla, we're waiting to buy. Virgin Galactic is down 4%. I'm still up. Not buying anymore. I'm lurking as usual. Shad. Virgin Orbit up 20%. 21%. Look at that for a pump. Oh my gosh. The earnings was great last night. It didn't go down and let me in. I was ready to buy it. I would have made some good money. That's where it goes up to. It might make 380. That's where it goes up to. It's a great company. I've not been able to get in yet. Now I know if a stock might delist because it will be taken off the index. If it's not doesn't hold its value, it's taken off the index. Look at that for Virgin Orbit. I was all over it, but I didn't get a chance to get in. It wouldn't let me in. 1 hour 22. 1 hour 22. We want to cover that. 1 hour 22. VORB. This is important. Let's have a look. Let's go to it. Very, very nice indeed. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Virgin Orbit up 26.71. Huge pump this morning. Why was this? The earnings was okay, money-wise. What it was successful, however, was the forward thinking and forward projection, where the company is going. But this company has yet to get any attention. This is the first time I've seen any serious buying coming in. Let's have a quick scroll down and look actually at the volume right now. Let's have a quick look at it and see what the volume is today. The average volume is 82,000. Today's volume 196. You can see 197. A lot of interest now coming in for Virgin Orbit. I do believe in this stock. I've been in it. I've made money, but I know it drops off very, very quickly. I'm going to buy it on the dip. I was already in. I sold it. What do you think? Are you an investor with Virgin Orbit? Smash the like button. How does Virgin Orbit, do you prefer Virgin Orbit over Virgin Galactic? Let me know in the comments. I often do cash giveaways for our best comments, and this could be one of our cash giveaway videos. Go below, leave a comment. Tell me, what do you think? Are you a Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit investor, or perhaps both? Which do you prefer? I prefer Virgin Galactic at the moment, but Virgin Orbit is a great investment. I have been in, and I would like to buy some more. I had an order set at 268. It never dropped that low to let me in. It's popped up, but the worst thing you can do now is chase this, because I'm sure, 100% confident that this could drop off very, very quickly. It is a very highly scalped stock. Let's look at it on the main position here. You can see I only have 2 shares now. I sold out of my position, and I had orders to buy. I can show you, look, at 268. My orders were placed here at 268. It never went down that low. So what do you think? Are you a Virgin Orbit, a Virgin Galactic, or a bit of both? It's a great company. It's got a great future. It is the future of space, putting satellites into space. It's far, far, far more efficient and economical than SpaceX or any other company, because it can launch from anywhere in the world underneath a Boeing. I was actually at Virgin Orbit. If you actually want to see the video of Virgin Orbit landing, click here. I was there when it happened. I went to Cornwall in the United Kingdom to film it, and you can see it. If you click there, you'll see all about it. But there you go. Virgin Orbit. Smash the like button, leave a comment below, and this might be one of my cash giveaway videos. Let me know your thoughts on Virgin Orbit. It's keeping on going. It's a bit of a short squeeze, perhaps. Don't chase it. That's not financial advice, but that's not what you should do. Unless you really think it's about to go to $100 a share, then do what you like. Anyway, I wish you all the very best. If you click up here, that'll take you to all the live shows. I've got to go. We're on a live show right now. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Virgin Orbit. Let's do a quick one for Virgin Orbit. Yes! Okay, there's did I get that right? There we go, Virgin Orbit. Put that out later. Rubbish engagement last night, and I gave you all rubbish engagement. Yeah, I know, last night, and I gave you all the heads up. Look at that. Look at this short squeeze. Yes, it is. Very, very good. Luke Townsend is here. We have not seen Luke for a while. How are you, Luke? Been a while. Welcome back to the channel. We got a massive audience today. Welcome, everybody, for an opening bell this morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've just tuned in and you want to be on our cash giveaway, smash the like button. Here it goes. Look, it could sell off now. Virgin Orbit turns to founder for US 25 million of new investment. There we got breaking news just coming in now. From Church of Logic. Branson bought the stock, Martin. Branson bought the stock. Is that what it is? Oh, I see. Branson bought the stock. Is that confirmed? Is that confirmed? Let's hang on. That's very, very important news. He may then follow in Virgin Galactic if he's looking for buys. 127 and 1 hour 27. Okay, little update. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. An update for Virgin Orbit. We've just found out some moments ago. This is to be confirmed, but let me bring it to you on the screen. Virgin Orbit turns to founder for US 25 million of new investment. Who are we talking about? Of course, Sir Richard Branson. This has just come in from one of my researchers, I've not verified it yet, but it's normally a reliable source. Branson bought the stock, Martin. Look at that. And as I said, it's going down again. It's exactly what I said in the previous video just some moments ago. If you want to see that, just so you know that I, said this a few moments ago, click here and that will take you to the previous video where I said the stock would be sold off. It trades like this. It's ultimately a great company, ultimately going to go up. But however, at the moment, I went to Virgin Orbit. I saw and I met the company and I spoke to people, and no one really believes in the stock price right now. It's going to be massive, but however, people are scalping it. It popped up, short squeeze, and now it's selling. So it's up to you what you do. If I was in it now, and I have been in it before, I would have set a stop trail order at this and just trail it up. That way, if it drops by a certain amount, I'm still in, but that way I'm protected. Until the stock stabilizes and gets much, much more focus on it, this is what's going to keep happening. So there you go. I don't know if it's going to keep going down, but who knows? That's Virgin Orbit. Let me know your thoughts below. Smash the like button. And let me know what you think about Virgin Orbit. Subscribe to the channel. We go live up to 10 hours a day. And I'll see you back on a live show. If you click up here, that will take you to my full Virgin Orbit playlist, including when Virgin Orbit landed. I was there when it happened. And between now and then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me get a quick video thumbnail on that one. Okay, there it is. There it is. That'll come out later. All right, let's go back to our main portfolio and see where we are right now. Virgin, sorry, let's go back to the main screen. And here we go. Our main portfolio at the moment, as you can see, is recovering. What's recovering? I would imagine that Virgin Galactic is not Virgin Galactic. Well, yes, Virgin Galactic and Tesla. There we go. Virgin Galactic come back up again. Held above $5. We've got some new comments just coming in. I think it's a SPAC. Yes, it was a SPAC. Virgin Orbit raises 25 million. CNBC reports. There we go. Blimey, did it IPO at $10 at 22? Yes. Virgin Orbit has collapsed. Yes, it did. It was a SPAC. Look. Let me show you. Yeah, there, look. It's a SPAC, $10. Exactly. Exactly what I'm saying. At the moment, there's no faith in the stock. It's what happens. Anyway, it's going back down again. Just like I predicted. Tesla's come back up. I didn't get one at 180. Not a problem. Paul Burke just subscribed. Thank you, Paul, for subscribing to my channel. The overall portfolio is trying to push back up again. Our gains are coming from the S&P, which is just down 2%. DWAC, I wanted to show that for you all over the place with the elections today. It will be a green day. I'm very confident of that. Virgin Galactic is trying to come back up again. Virgin Orbit is going straight back down. I have orders at 268, and I didn't quite get in, and I would have sold it. I would have set a stop trail loss on that one and been out, I'm afraid, and too many people are doing that. And that's all that stock does right now. Doesn't mean it's not a great company, though. Tesla, got orders at 180. Rivian, we've got earnings after hours tomorrow. We've got Lucid after hours tonight. I'll be live with you. Arrival, it's come back up again a little bit, but I might be locked in there now. Amazon, I had an order of 87. It didn't quite go that low to get it, but that's all right. Apple's coming back up. I had an order at 130. It's not gone that low. Robinhood, still going down, but I've got an order at 9. McDonald's, I'm holding it. I'm up nearly 15% now. You'll be a millionaire, Martin, if you traded all these predictions. You'd be a millionaire, Martin, if you traded all these predictions. Yeah. Coca-Cola, J&J, up 0.24. Google. Doing well. There you go. All my high tech, my tech stocks that are oversold, doing well. Microsoft, I'm only down 1.5. What about Meta? Still going down. Meta has 17%. I'm holding it though. All we need is a word from Mark Zuckerberg that he's spending less. That's all we need, and up it goes. Let's bring some of the comments on the screen. If you're in the chat right now, smash the like button and comment. I think we got a lot of bots watching us, or secret investors. Big audience, and they're not liking the video or commenting. I don't know why that might be. Anyway, welcome to you. Lots of anonymous viewers today. If you've not signed in, that's another thing. Why, if you don't sign to YouTube, another reason why people don't comment. They're not able to. They haven't signed in. There you go. Tesco's just 4% down now. Tesco, what a great return! What a great return. Tesco's had massive drops, like huge swings, and it's coming back up now. This is what it normally trends on its dividends, and it went all the way down, and it went as low as 662. I didn't continue buying it because I just didn't want it to become that big a part of my portfolio. But nevertheless, very, very nice indeed. Okay, we need to take a quick commercial break, 10 seconds, and I need to stand up as well. We've got a lot of stuff to cover today. We've got the closing bell. We've got the breaking news throughout the day for all the election stuff today. We've got those other videos I want to get out, and we've got earnings after hours tonight with Lucid, Rivian after hours tomorrow. So let's do a very, very quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds. You can skip the ad if you want to. No problem at all. And I'll see you back in just a few seconds from now. In fact, about 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back with you now. The overall portfolio is down a bit today, but we're due a bounce back now. That's what I'm expecting anyway. The S&P is looking good. I've got buy orders for all of these things to buy in. Virgin Galactic, trying to push back up again. I'm still in the green now, holding above $5. Virgin Orbit, steadily coming back down. Had a massive pump, 25%, now down to 16. I'm still leaving my buy order there, and I will go all in at 268, and I'll catch it another time. Just got to have patience watching the ICCM for the entry above 150. 180, I've got a buy order for Tesla. It's pushing back down again. Rivian after hours tomorrow. Lucid after hours tonight. Down 4.77. What's the 52-week low is 1187. Arrivals trying to come back up again, still 30% down. I don't see it at all making any money. Amazon orders at 87, coming back up strong now. Apple flat. Robinhood, they're making money now, so I'm not concerned with Robinhood. I've got buys at 9. McDonald's very strong. Coca-Cola still up. J&J up nearly 3% now. Overall, that is. Now, we've got CPM rates, CPM information on Thursday. After hours tonight, earnings. Tomorrow, after hour earnings. Plenty of stuff to cover on the show. Let's all see Google now lifting up. That was oversold, our tech stocks. So was Microsoft, and that's recovered as well. That was oversold. And Meta is even returning now as well. Good morning, Market Profit. How are you? How are you? If you want to be a member of our channel, you can call live into the show and you can be on the show. We can do a poll for you. We can celebrate your birthdays. Anyone who has a birthdays. CPI, not CPM. That's your YouTube metrics. Did I say CPM? CPI. I do apologize. Consumer Price Index, not Consumer Price Mashup. Yeah, all right. All right, sorry about that. CPI, Consumer Price Index, and there's every indication that it's going to fall, so it could be interesting for us. Anyway, we are expecting a bounce today, down 3.14. So let me just stand up a second and stretch my legs a minute. There we go. All right, so we've got all our top stocks. We've got buy orders placed at the moment. So we're all in, and we're waiting to see how this all pans out today. Overall portfolio down 2.98 now. We've got a very big audience. If you've just tuned in, please do subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. I'm just taking a few seconds to stand up and stretch my legs. We go live 10 hours a day. And all our main stocks are with buy orders placed. We did buy a little bit of a rival this morning. It went down dramatically and it was a bit of fun. SPCE stock has dropped a little bit. Virgin Orbit had a massive pump on the news of Sir Richard Branson, founder member, buying shares apparently. That was sent in by Church of Logic. That was interesting. And we're looking out for that. Okay, we're coming to the end of our show. We've got the day trader of the day today, and see who wins today. All right, I'll return to my seat again. Okay, we're back in the house. The S&P, he doesn't play options. No. Do you sell covered calls against your shares? No, I don't do options at all. Right, let's go back to our trading screen. Let's have a little look. Starting to get a rebound. I said today would be a green day. So let's have a look. I'm going to end the poll right now. And I asked, are you in for Lucid after hours today? Only 34% of you. Very, very few numbers are going to watch Lucid tonight. That's fair enough. It's not a massive stock, not a lot of interest, but I'm still going to run it because a lot of people are interested in it. End poll. And let's see. I'm going to ask you a question now. Green or red day? I say it'll be a green day today. Green or red? Green or red day today? There you go. What do you think? S&P is now coming up strongly. We're showing you DWAP because of the election today. A lot of interest around the stock. Virgin Galactic, it's trying to come up again. Break that $5 again. Virgin Orbit, massive pump today and now selling off. I've got an order placed at 268. Tesla, I've got an order placed at 180. I've already bought at 201 yesterday. Green till Thursday, then buckle up, says 22. Buckle up, we're always buckled up. We've been buckled up now for a bloody year. We're sick and tired of being buckled up. Rivian, after hours earnings tomorrow. Lucid, it's down 4.91. I've got earnings tonight. Arrival is falling off a cliff. Amazon, I had an order at 87, didn't quite materialize. Apple's coming back up. I got an order at 130. Robinhood, they're making money now, so I've got an order at 9. McDonald's, very strong. Coca-Cola, these are all my actual positions, my real money. J&J doing very well. And my tech stocks, which I know were oversold. It's a 2-year play. It's a 2-year investment. if not beyond. And the stock market doesn't like investments like that. People don't want to trade on stocks that are years away, but I don't mind that. Right, my next order to buy, are we going to get to our next order? Is 87. Quite considerably lower. 87. Test the price supported at 189 and started to move higher. Well, if it breaks down now, it could go to 150. I'm fully aware of that. SoFi, another great company. IonQ. Walmart, doing very well now. 17% up. Target, the same thing. I'm up 8%. It's not doing as well as Walmart, but there you go. Tesco, which is the equivalent in the UK, doing well. Just 4% out the money. I will be selling this when it goes back up to its dividend trading position. I'll show you what I mean by that. When it goes up here, it always trades out at 12, 12.60. So I can nearly double my money. And I will do that. Canoe on semiconductor. Tilray Brands looking all right. Ginkgo. Enphase. Bitcoin is down 1.36 today. BSV is also down today. No, it's not. It's up 1%. There you go. And Ethereum is down 1.58. I'm not touching any of that stuff right now. Right, we're down 3.43. CCL moving higher. I wouldn't buy Carnival Cruise Lines either. I used to work for the company. I know exactly how they work. Terrible, 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 terrible company. Corrupt and all sorts. Don't like it at all. Virgin Galactic is now 489. Virgin Orbit going straight back down again. Exactly as I predicted. That's why I didn't buy it on the pump, and I insist on buying it for 268. That's where it trades well. How low are we going to go today? Enphase is showing resistance for market fluctuations. Thank you, Enhanced Chicken. Right, let's do day trader of the day. So we'll get everybody now in the competition. Do day trader of the day. How many people have come through to today's show? 159. Pretty good. Pretty good. 159. Not so bad at all. Trying to get a rebound. We haven't had it yet. So let's go over to my main position and let's have a little look. I'm down 3.16. And let's see who wins this today. What happened to Arrival today? They've run out of money, basically going bankrupt. How can we put it any clearer? They need to raise money. They can't. Their shares aren't worth anything. Interest rates are going up. Exactly what you'd expect. No surprise at all from Arrival today. So we are down 3.19%. We're just trying to come up a little bit. Once the first person posts, I will share everyone's score. We have a minute on the clock. Self-braiding, Queen of Self-braiding, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Right, start posting your scores, and I'll give you a minute on the clock, and then we'll end today's show. Back later on with the closing bell, we got Lucid earnings after hours. We got other breaking news throughout the day as well that I'm going to share with you. All right. So we're waiting for the scores to come in. There's my score on the screen. Once the first person starts to post, we will share with you. Up 2.21. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I am down 3%, as you can see. There's my position. And our first score has come in. Up 2.21. Thank you very much indeed. Down 7.12. Ouch, ouch, ouch. But it's all part of it. It's down 0.8. Says the Queen of Logic. So it looks like so far the winner is Enhanced Chicken is up 2.21. remember, you obviously are Enhanced Chicken. If you become a member, we can promote your YouTube channel and get you more views. We do that to all our members. Members Friday, we always promote a member on a Friday as well. Any advances? Let me put a 1 minute on the clock. I forgot the clock. Fermented pickles, down 18% on my Lotto account. That doesn't really count for this. Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's holding up, Coca-Cola, got an order there, J&J, Google doing good today, knew it would, Microsoft also doing good, and Meta is down to 95, down 2%. It looks like, Stephen Lewandowski, it looks like the winner today is our Funky Chicken, which is Enhanced Chicken is looking like the winner today. Yep, so thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Let's give him a thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. And give him a big thumbs up and give him the sound effects. Here we go. Thank you very much. Congratulations to you. Ryan Carlson is down at 5%. Ian Jackson is down 1.2. There we go. Thank you very much indeed for that. Enhanced Chicken. Wonderful stuff. Right. The S&P is pushing up today. Very, very nice indeed. Not that far off from being in the money again. Very happy to hold that. That's why it's so important to have that as a foundation to your portfolio. If it wasn't for that, oh my gosh, where would I be? Very happy to have that position there, earning me dividends and holding my portfolio all together. All right, we're trying to come up again now. Where is the losses coming from? DWAC is having its bounce. There we go. Virgin Galactic, that's the elections today. Virgin Galactic is down 6%. I'm out of the money just. It's a good buy now though, and Virgin Orbit going back down again. Still on mute, said Stephen Lewandowski. He's got me on mute. Very nice though. He's at the doctor's office and he's keeping the channel going. That's the support we get on the channel. Brilliant. 187 now. I've got no more orders today. Nothing's gone through, which means nothing's gone low enough. So I'm okay with that. Arrival. Amazon. Picking up. Apple. Got orders at 130. Hood, I've got orders at 9. McDonald's holding up. Coca-Cola's going down. I've got orders at Coca-Cola. I think my order at Coca-Cola is never going to happen. It's got 54. But you never know. You get these flash crashes. It happens. J&J's holding up. I've got an order there to buy there as well. J&J's moving again. Let's see it. Google doing very well. I'm 10% out of the money, but much, much better. Got a decent position now. I've got another buy for Google at 83. If it should ever go that low, I've got 83. Microsoft, that's picking up. And as is Meta as well. And I've got an order place, picking up quickly now. I've got an order at 87. Okay, I think we're pretty much done today. We will, all we need now is someone to say, roll the credits, and I think we'll get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everyone who liked the video today and supported the channel. Thank you very much. We'll be back in a few hours for you. We're live up to 10 hours a day for all our members, so thank you ever so much indeed. We have member-only exclusive content. Look out for that if you are a member. Look at it, picking up now, look. Meta. There we go, getting a bit of a rebound. Roll 'em, Baseman. Bossman. Oh, Bossman. I went Baseman. All right. I'll see you back in a bit. I've got some breaking news coming out today. We've got the closing bell coming up later. And also, of course, we've got the after hours with Lucid today and then Rivian after hours tomorrow. I'll be taking care. There we go. Smash it, please, says the Queen of Self-Braiding. All right. Let's roll the credits. Thank you very much, everyone, for supporting the channel today. Appreciate it. Let's roll those credits, shall we? Let's see who took part. Should do be do. All right. Roll the credits. Where's the credits? Why aren't the credits rolling? Why aren't my credits rolling? Because I've hidden the credits. That's why they're not rolling. There you go. Roll the credits live. Let's try that again, shall we? There you go. Right, let's have a quick look. Thanks for your support. Lance William, a new follower on Twitch. Thank you. If you now subscribe using your Amazon Prime, it's absolutely free. You'll be in our free prize draw on the first Friday every month, and we do a cash prize draw every Friday as well. So it's free to enter. Just turn your Amazon Prime gaming on. Subscriptions. We got a few subscribers. They're just the public subscribers that share their subscriptions. But thank you very much to you as well. So it's been quite a down day today. Not a great deal to talk about, if we're honest. Breaking news here. The S&P has just flown up. Look at this. The S&P 500 has just gone up 0.5%. That's a lot for the S&P. I'm just down 2% right now. So that's picked up very quickly. That's why it's really going. Look at that. So something in the S&P, and remember Apple is the biggest part of it. Let's have a look. And Tesla. Let's have a look. So Virgin Galactic isn't part of it. Virgin Orbit isn't part of it. Tesla. So it's not them. It must be Apple. Let's go along and have a quick look. No. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there you go. Amazon. Amazon is a big part. Apple is a big part, but it's not doing very much. So that's why it's important to have the S&P 500, because there are, you go through all the best companies and you think, well, nothing's really moving. But there's so much in there, the top 500 companies, that, there you go, Google. That's it from me. I'll see you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.